Welcome to autobarstop.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you Twitter automation tool which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter like auto update either bio website inbound, thread users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet inbound, angry follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, on mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will show you instruction on how to spread followers of Twitter accounts with Twitter Auto tool. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running this function. Please refer to the video of tutorial how to update avatar bio and website for Twitter accounts automatically from minute 1:30 to minute 10:15. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing our basic setting, you will select Save Users at Action section. Next, at List to Spread section, you will create a text file to contain usernames that you want to spread their followers. For example, I name it List of Users. Then, for example, these are usernames that I want to spread their followers. Click to save. And at List of Users section, click on this icon, select the file created. Then, at the Spread Limit Pages section, you will set the number of pages you want the software to spread. For example, I set it 10 to 15. For example, this is the username that I put into the list of users, and then the software will visit 10 to 15 pages of followers and then spread these followers. Finally, you click OK to run. Then you can click on Show Browser to see how the software spreads followers. The result will be saved in details folder. You can see the newsletter text file like this. These demonstrate that above are steps must be taken to raise followers of users with Twitter automation software. You can visit autobotstuff.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.